Hey, welcome back, my amazing student. So one of the first things that you have to do on this lecture here is go to the description of this video and go ahead and download your project files. This is all the files you're gonna need to follow me on this project, okay? So go ahead and download that, and let's start with opening our editors real quick. And I'm gonna start, playing around and dropping those files in here and getting this application up and running really fast, all right? So first things first, I'm gonna drop an empty folder in here, which is gonna be called Flask Auth. You can see it right there. Let me see if I can make this a little bigger so you guys can see it. All right, and now I have all these files that I want you guys to get. Hopefully you got them, and I'm gonna drop them in here. As a matter of fact, I already have the folder called templates in there, and I'm just gonna drop the whole thing in there so that way I don't have to create that. So add folder to workspace or copy folder. Let's just copy the whole thing, and hopefully we get those files inside. There we go. All right, perfect. So now I'm going to create the app file to go ahead and start playing around and get my application running. Another thing that I want to do is I want to set up a Python environment. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. And then VMV and VMV again here. All righty. Make this a little bigger here. All right, perfect. Let's go and activate this. So let's go inside and activate it. Guys, if you're completely brand new to what I'm doing, and this looks alien to you, you need to go into the description of this video, and go and take the crash course for Flask, all right? So that's gonna give you all the basics you need if this looks weird to you, okay? So let's go ahead and start putting some code in this file here. As a matter of fact, hold on. We have to install Flask. All right. Make sure it's installed. Perfect. Let's go here and start writing this code. Very simple. First thing is we need to import Flask, right? So from Flask, we're gonna import this big class right here. Let's go and also import from there render, and let's import the URL for right there. Let's go ahead and create this instance real quick. And let's call it app, like we always do. You can call it whatever you want, but it makes sense to call it app. Alrighty. We create a route here for the home page. That's what we're doing. And we're gonna return the render template function with the index that we got. Now, this is gonna be able to recognize this immediately because Flask is always going to be looking for these files or any HTML inside this templates folder. Now, we can change the folder name and all that stuff where it's looking for it, but it's not recommended. Every time you update your application or update a package, those packages are written to find stuff in the same template. So it's better not to mess around with the defaults, all right? So once we have that, very simple to run it, we just do a little check here to make sure this is actually running on from this file. And then we got this app run. And one thing that I'm gonna set here is the debug flag here, or option to true. And another thing here, I want to set a port, just because sometimes I understand that some of you already have a port taken, especially if you're using a Mac, like the 5000 is mostly taken. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do 55, 55, and 55. I mean, 55, 55, 555, 5555. There we go. And now let's go back here and let's do this. Let's do app, Python app. One thing here that I noticed, I think this is inside. Let me just take it out and put it on the root. Now this app.py here needs to be outside. It needs to be a sibling to the folders. All right, not a child, not inside, but outside. All right, enter. And now let's go ahead and see what we got. We don't have a lot here right now, but we're gonna build it in the following lectures. It's gonna be awesome, guys. You're gonna learn really cool stuff. If you were not going to learn cool stuff, I would not teach it. All right. Anyway, guys, I'll see you on the next lecture. Keep it up, guys. Stay consistent.